Digital marketing is an important method to earn money online. In this video I want to reflect on it and give a more in-depth overview. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone, improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. Reflections on the who, what, why, and how of digital marketing. Would you believe me if I told you that the internet today has become so accessible that the number of people who go online every day continues to grow? This means that offline marketing alone won't help increase sales. You need to meet your audience where they already spend their time, online. Marketing is always about connecting with your audience in the right place at the right time. Digital marketing, in other words, is online marketing in all its forms. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing, also known as online marketing, refers to all marketing activities that take place online. Businesses can use digital channels such as search engines, social media, email and other websites to connect with current and potential customers. It also includes communication through text and multimedia messaging. How companies define digital marketing? At this point, digital marketing is an integral part of business and brand awareness. It seems like every other brand has a website, and if not, at least a social media presence and a digital advertising strategy. Digital content and marketing is very common, and consumers now expect and rely on it as a way to learn about a brand. Digital marketing offers so much potential, allowing you to be creative and experiment with different marketing tactics on a budget. Digital marketing means using a variety of digital tactics and channels to reach customers online, where they spend most of their time. Good digital marketers have a clear idea of how each digital marketing campaign supports their overall goals. Marketers can then support the larger campaign with the free and paid channels at their disposal, depending on the goals of the marketing strategy. For example, content marketers can create a series of blog posts to get leads from an ebook. Or an email marketer might create a campaign to send more information about the company to people who have downloaded the ebook. Why digital marketing is important? Digital marketing reaches more people than traditional methods and can target those most likely to buy a product or service. It's also often more cost-effective than traditional advertising and allows you to measure success and make the right decisions every day. There are a number of key benefits of digital marketing, which I will now elaborate on. 1. You can focus your efforts only on those potential customers who are most likely to buy your product or service. When you advertise on television, in a magazine, or on a billboard, you have limited control over who will see it. Sure, you can measure certain attributes, such as the typical readership of a magazine or the demographics of a particular neighborhood, but even then you're almost always left in the dark. With digital marketing, you can identify highly specific audiences and send them personalized, high-conversion marketing messages. For example, social media targeting can be used to show ads to specific audiences based on variables such as age, gender, location, interests, networks and behavior. Additionally, PPC and SEO can be used to deliver ads to users who have shown interest in or searched for specific keywords related to a product, service or industry. Ultimately, digital marketing will help you do the research necessary to identify buyer personas and refine your strategy to make sure you're reaching out to those most likely to make a purchase. 2. It is more cost-effective than outbound marketing methods. Digital marketing allows you to track the daily effectiveness of your campaigns, allowing you to see which channels are working well and which are not, helping you optimize campaign budgets and achieve a high ROI. However, the same cannot be said for traditional advertising methods. Regardless of the effectiveness of a billboard, the cost will be the same, even if it doesn't lead to conversions. Also, with digital marketing, you have complete control over where you spend your money. For example, instead of spending money on PPC campaigns, you can spend money on design software to create content for Instagram with a high conversion rate. A digital marketing strategy allows you to constantly change and not spend money on poorly performing channels. Digital marketing is a cost-effective solution and offers unique opportunities to maximize benefits. For example, small and medium-sized businesses with limited budgets can invest in 3 strategies: social media, blogging and SEO. 3. Digital marketing can level the playing field in your industry and allow you to compete with larger companies. If you're a small or mid-sized business, you may find it difficult to compete with the big brands in your industry that are investing millions of dollars in advertising campaigns. However, there are many opportunities to get ahead of the big players with strategic digital marketing initiatives. For example, you can use long-form keywords to create high-quality content that will rank higher in search engines. Search engines don't care which brand is the biggest, but they are interested in prioritizing content that resonates the most with your target audience. 4. Digital marketing is measurable. While traditional advertising can help achieve certain goals, its biggest limitation is measurability. This is one of the biggest benefits of digital marketing because it allows companies to see all the metrics that matter to them from start to finish, including impressions, shares, views, clicks and time on page. Unlike offline marketing efforts, digital marketing allows marketers to see accurate results in real time. Anyone who has ever placed an ad in a newspaper knows how difficult it is to estimate the number of people who clicked through and paid attention to the page. There's no reliable way to know if that ad drove sales. Digital marketing, on the other hand, allows you to measure ROI on almost every aspect of your marketing efforts. Here are some examples. Website traffic. In digital marketing, the digital analytics software available on marketing platforms like HubSpot can give you an accurate picture of how many people have viewed your site's homepage in real time. You can also see digital analytics data, such as how many pages were viewed, what device was used and where they came from. This data can help you determine which marketing channels to spend or not spend time on based on the number of people they bring to your site. For example, if only 10% of your traffic comes from organic search, you may find that you need to spend more time on SEO to increase that percentage. In offline marketing, it can be difficult to understand how people interact with a brand before they interact with a salesperson or make a purchase. With digital marketing, you can identify trends and patterns in people's behavior before they even reach the end of the buyer's journey. This means you can make more informed decisions about how to attract people to your site at the top of the marketing funnel. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on Watch Later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. Content effectiveness and lead generation. Suppose you've created a product brochure and put it in your mailbox. This brochure is a type of offline content. But the problem is that you have no idea how many people opened the brochure, or if they immediately tossed it in the trash. Now suppose you put the brochure on your website. You can measure exactly how many people viewed the page on which the brochure appeared, and gather the contact information of those who downloaded it using a form. In other words, it has the dual effect of measuring how many people were interested in your content and generating qualified leads from those who downloaded it. Attribution modeling. By combining an effective digital marketing strategy with the right tools and techniques, you can track all sales to the point of digital contact where a customer first encountered your business. This is called attribution modeling. Attribution modeling reveals trends in how people explore and buy products, helping you make more informed decisions about which parts of your marketing strategy need more attention and which parts of the sales cycle need improvement. Marketing and sales collaboration is critical. According to LinkedIn, 87% of sales and marketing executives say that sales and marketing collaboration drives significant business growth. If digital technology can be used to improve the customer journey and the buying cycle, it can positively impact the bottom line of a business. 5. Digital marketing strategies are easy to adapt and change. It takes a lot of effort to develop a marketing strategy. Typically, the strategy is followed through to implementation and evaluation of the results. However, things don't always go according to plan. Sometimes halfway through, you realize that your calculations weren't good enough, your assumptions were too strong, or the audience response wasn't what you expected. In those cases, it's very helpful to be able to change your strategy midway through so you don't have to start all over again. Being able to change strategies easily is a major advantage of digital marketing. Changing digital marketing strategies is much easier than traditional forms of marketing, such as mailings or billboard advertising. For example, if online advertising isn't producing the results you expect, you can quickly adjust it or pause it to get better results. 6. Digital marketing can improve conversion rates and quality leads. Digital marketing makes it easier to measure marketing activities and therefore increase conversions. Measuring the effectiveness of each measure helps you develop more effective strategies. By constantly improving your methods, you can improve your conversion rates. When you invest in online marketing, you optimize everything to get the most conversions. Also, not all potential customers represent the same value to your business. Digital marketing allows you to target specific audiences to get higher quality leads that are more likely to become customers. Connecting your business with the most valuable potential customers directly leads to higher conversion rates. 7. Engage your audience at every stage of digital marketing. It's important to start engaging with your audience as early as possible. By making a connection at the very beginning of the buyer's journey, you can move them into the customer funnel. With digital marketing, you can achieve this from start to finish and at all stages in between. The online channel allows you to track the entire buyer's journey. To convert leads, it's important to understand and analyze how buyers move and act. Digital marketing allows you to track them throughout the entire process. And even if they don't convert in the initial stages, at least you can be sure they've made a connection with your business. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get, and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business. Some work great, some flop, and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods, and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge, and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success. You will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas, or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury, and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.